Now, even though with our temperatures in the 40s today, it doesn't seem like the end of January, just look at your calendar. It most certainly is. Here with a recap of the month's weather stats is meteorologist Nathan Gidley.
Well, it's certainly nice to see some warmth to wrap up the month. You see the above average red days toward the end of January after lots of cold blue days showing up on the calendar. Ultimately, we're 3.1 degrees below average for the month. We'll see where we ultimately end up by the end of the day today. Let's look at our January days below zero, though. We added up 4 of them this year, which is above our average of 3. Still well behind our record, though, of 15 set back in 1977 in terms of our January days below zero. Transitioning over to precipitation, we're certainly still below average in that regard by 1.45 inches. Just over an inch of precipitation picked up during the month. You see a few green days scattered throughout, indicating some of the days that we saw some precipitation. However, just enough here to allow drought conditions to ease across northeast Indiana and northwest Ohio. Only abnormally dry conditions remain on the drought monitor released just yesterday. 29% of the possible sunshine is what we experienced throughout the month. Pretty typical for January. In fact, more though than what we experienced in December, which doesn't happen too often. For the snow lovers out there, well, I wish I had some better news for you, as we still are going to end up below average by 2.7 inches this January, but still above what we experienced last January, and we saw more days with measurable snow as well. But the long streak continues since our last big snow in Fort Wayne. You can find more information on this posted on Wayne.com, and coming up at 6, we'll look ahead to February. Meteorologist Nathan Gidley, Wayne 15 News.